Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a Google Forms. And I will show you this as quick as possible. But first of all, we need to go to Google and search for Google Forms. Then you click here on this link and make sure that you log into a Google account to use Google Forms. Then we click on the blank form to create a completely new survey. But from now, what you need to do is give this a title. So channel review, something like that. And then in the description, tell me what you think about my channel. So we have now the title and the description. Then from now we go to the question place, and that is this bar right here. Now let's create a question. What do you think about the style of my channel? Something like this. Then select the type of question that you want. Now we want multiple choice, so let's do that. So option 1 is terrible. Then click here on add order to create another answer. And then from here we can do looks amazing. And then if you click on add option, we can do something like it can be better. So now we have 3 options, and right now if you click here on required, they probably need to fill in this answer because it's required. Now let's create another question. Then we do the plus icon, and then the next question is tell me what can be better. Then we change the question option to something like a short answer. And right now, if you do required, people will write down something that can be better for our channel. So that is great. Now, what we need to do now is we go to settings and make sure that you do all the settings that you want. Now, for now, it's not necessary to change something like this. Responses is for now also not important. But if you go back to these questions, the only thing that you need to do now is to publish this survey or this Google Forms. So what we want to do now is click on publish. Then you can do that every responder can join with this link. Now you can also do manage. And what you then can do is click here on edit to review restricted or responder view. You can also change it. But for now, anyone with this link is fine. And you can also invite people with an email right here. Then we do done. And then right now, if you click on publish, and we go to this published setting right here, and you copy this link, and you will place it just right here. Everyone with this link can fill in your Google Forms. So this was a quick tutorial how to create Google Forms. Hopefully I helped you out with this. Please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.